Alright, what's up guys? Last video you saw that this was running, and now I'm at the point where I'm gonna go. We had I pulled the carbs off, and Darth and I are gonna rebuild them together. So that's what that looked. He spent some time and polished the bike up a little bit, but what I want to do is just give you a quick kind of a tour. We installed some new lighting in the garage too, but this is kind of what it looks like. There's the front. So it needs some cleaning, some TLC. I'm going to get it ready for Mid-Ohio. We go to Mid-Ohio every year. And then after that, I'll probably do a full teardown, full restoration. So that's it. And here are the carbs. We're going to get these rebuilt, put them back on, and see how it runs. See if we can get number 1 cylinder firing. Okay, so we got the carb apart, and sure enough, that's number 1 cylinder, 2 and 3, and look right there, that's the pilot jet. I don't know what kind of hillbilly concoction this is, but there's like pieces of wire in there. It was stripped out real bad. I was lucky to get it out. There you can see how stripped out it is. And then this spring here goes up in there for the air fuel screw, the mixture screw. And you can see it's all bent up. So that is kind of what we were thinking was the problem. Number 1 was probably not firing because the pilot circuit wasn't working. There we go, new carb. Well, like new carbs, I guess. They cleaned them all up, rebuilt them from the ground up. I'm borrowing some of these pod filters, and we adjusted the float levels. Everything looks good. I'm going to do a startup. This is ice cold. And we did not start it before I started filming this, so. Alright, we've got it all ready to start up. My fuel's on. I've got a key now. Turn the key on. And give it a shot. Yeah. Alright, here goes. Oh, I'm going to choke it too. Oh, almost. Ow. Maybe it doesn't need choke. I don't know if it needs choked or not.
Probably does. Usually I have to tickle mine for a little bit.
That was starting it last night. Seems like the choke's making it worse. Okay, now number 2 isn't firing for some reason, so we got to figure that out. And once we get that figured out, we'll be back. But it runs. Okay, I got 3 new spark plugs. Oh, forgot to put this cap on. There we go. Give it a try, see if that middle cylinder will start working.
Worked last night.
Yeah, it worked last night. We had problems with number 1. So. Key on. Well, I got more investigating to do. I guess the next thing is to check the spark. See if spark was sparking. Alright, so I took the number 2 carburetor off. We checked the ignition. The spark plug looks fine. It's brand new. Everything seems good there. I just took the carburetor off and made sure that the float wasn't sticking, and it wasn't. There was gas in the bowl. I blew some air through all the ports again to make sure that they're all free and clear, and they go all different ways, but we know how to check them. And I don't know, I'm going to give it another shot and see what happens. Could have just been a fluke. Maybe something got stuck in a hole or something. No choke. That started really fast. The RPMs were around about 1,000, and now it's up closer to about 1,500, between 15 and 2 grand. Alright, well there you go. I can't explain it. Maybe a little piece of dirt got lodged in there and I blew it out. Yeah, I don't know why, but it seems to be working fine now. And we went through those carbs, polished everything, ran straws and pins, and oh man, we checked every port. So I can't explain it, but we're good to go now. And I'm going to take it for a ride. First ride.
And there's the saga of the S2.